Hi! In front of me is TCL for the NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. You need to begin by opening Theme Store app and clicking on Online at the top left corner. When you're ready, scroll down and click on the best theme for you. Then tap on Download at the bottom. And last but not least, click on Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to the default theme, access exactly the same app, but this time instead of online, click on Local at the top right corner. Then tap on your system theme and hit Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!